The charter flight landed at the international airport of Ezeiza on Thursday night, bringing Argentina the first batch of Chinese Sinopharm vaccines against COVID-19. There is a very special design on the fuselage of the airplane. Happy New Year of the Ox can be seen in both Chinese and Spanish characters, with a traditional Chinese paper-cutting pattern ox beside. The Argentine government is willing to send its warmest gratitude and friendship to China by this special greeting. The country's Ministry of Health officially authorized the emergency use of Sinopharm vaccine last Sunday, and the clinical trials of the vaccine showed it is safe and effective. On the recommendation of the country's medicine regulator, the Ministry of Health decided to include the Sinopharm vaccine into the national inoculation plan against COVID-19. Argentina is about to launch vaccination of Sinopharm vaccine nationwide, giving priority to the health workers, teachers, and elderly. More than 700,000 people have received doses of the vaccine against COVID-19, while more than 400,000 people have already received the complete 2 doses. With the arrival of the Chinese vaccines, Argentina will definitely have more confidence on accelerating its rate of vaccination.